Good evening. The second assignment for Listening and Speaking 3 is to discuss global warming and its effect. The term global warming has been around since the mid-1970s when scientists discovered holes in the ozone layer above Antarctica. They were very concerned about the dangerous rays that were coming in through this hole, and for a while people were very scared about skin cancer and that we were going to burn up. And little by little, once these holes were found, people started investigating the temperature of the earth, the rising of the waters, and the changing in the climate. A lot of people don't believe that global warming exists, and they will have firm arguments against it. Personally, I do believe that there are definite effects due to the amount of pollution that we spread on a daily basis through our CO2 emissions. I currently live in the mitad del mundo, which is middle of the world, which is near San Antonio. And when my husband and I bought our home about 8 years ago, the summers were very warm. We would spend our summers in sunshine. We had very little rain. In fact, we would have months without rain. And in mere 8 years that we've been here, we've actually started having a rainy season, something that has never appeared in the mitad del mundo. So that is one thing that we personally can see on a day-to-day basis, the change in the climate here in our own home. What can we do to stop global warming? Yes, it has to be each individual using recycling items, getting them out to be recycled, buying things that are recycled, using solar panels if it permits, which currently we do at our home for our hot water. When possible, buying hybrid cars which use less of the fossil fuels and therefore have lower emissions. But I really believe that global warming is going to continue to be a problem until our governments step forward and look at the Kyoto project and agree with it, which is something that your major powers haven't done, for example, the United States and China, which are our two biggest exporters of CO2 gases into the atmosphere. So hopefully our governments will come around and realize that global warming is definitely an issue that needs to be taken care of.